Hi! Today I want to make a dress using this piece of material. It's a really soft material, but I think it has a bit of elastic, so I might have to do it with the serger. And I'm going to play with the pattern, and the skirt is going to be with the lines straight down and the top in horizontal. So the plan is to make a simple dress with a gathered skirt, t-shirt top, so I could do it without sleeves. I think I can make more use of it with short sleeves. I was just measuring and trying on the mannequin, and I don't have enough fabric for what I wanted to do. I have enough fabric for a dress, but not with that design. If I wanted the lines straight down, I will have to cut almost all the piece of material for that, because it wouldn't have flow. It would be like a pencil skirt, and I don't want that. So the new plan is to use the design all in horizontal. And these are the pieces we have to work with. This is the skirt panel and the t-shirt, the top bit. And maybe what I do is drop the back, like on this t-shirt I've got on. And of course this is something I do to use some remnants I buy. But if you buy a few meters of fabric, you can get a more sophisticated design with a pattern. So now that I have everything I need cut, I'm going to do two things. The first one will be to make a skirt out of this rectangle. So I'm going to sew the two extremes right sides together, so I can work later with this bit. Fly. And then the other will be to do the same with the two tops I have cut. So I'm going to put right sides together and sew it with the serger, like so. So this is the t-shirt and this is the skirt, but you see the problem here. So what we're going to do is gather it. I was thinking, yes, I have the t-shirt backwards because I realized I get really cold here on my back, so I'm not doing that to this dress because I won't wear it if I do. So I was thinking that instead of gathering the skirt, which is what I always do, and the easy fix, I'm going to pleat the sides, only the bits on the hip, so it's a bit different, and I think it will be nice. So it will be flat on the front and the back, and then the hips will have the pleats. Something different. So let's do that. So this is what I'm going to do. Instead of gathering the whole skirt, which is the easy fix, I'm going to pleat the sides on the hips. So the front and the back will be flat, and the feet will have this flare. So the t-shirt goes right in the skirt, right sides together, so the seams go in the wrong side. So you see it's quite centered, so what I'm going to do now is to start pleating towards the ends. What I just did is to add pins on the two extremes so the fabrics don't move and I don't lose the center, and then another two in the front and in the back, so I have the same amount of pleats on both sides. I got 5 pleats on each side, and I took into account to make it like a mirror, so they don't go on the same way but opposite. If this is the first pins I put in and this is the sides, I pleat it towards the hip, so the dress has a better shape on the hips. Because I have all the pins and the pleats, I don't think the serger will do okay with that. So I'm going to use the normal machine, and I'm going to add this ribbon. It's cotton, so the seam holds better. Even though I didn't want to, I had to add a bit of elastic band in the back because it was losing the shape. But the front looks intact, so I'm quite pleased with that. Now it's time for hemming and doing the neckline and the sleeves. Very happy with the result, and now what's left is to take all the pins off and cut the beads remaining. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's a really comfy dress, easy to combine for every day, so I'm quite pleased with the result. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and you should subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!